it's Amy Wilson, and I am super excited that you're here with me this week. So thank you for joining me. I am excited to show you all of our awesome products. But what I am most excited about this month is, with the new year, a little organizing. And we've got quite the customer special this month that'll help you with that. So I wanted to take a look at every option here for you. So for every $35 you spend in January, you can get one of these amazing organizing products for half off. So I want to show them to you. The first one is our Double Duty Caddy, and this is quite an old print. I've had it laying around in my house for a long time, and it has become a catch-all for us. So before I show you what's in mine, let me tell you some other uses for it. I have seen this used for cleaning products under your sink that you can take it with you and walk around your house and clean everything, and everything is right there. I've seen it used in your car if you have a couple of kids and you're on a road trip, or you just have, soccer practice and then gymnastics and then Girl Scouts and who knows what else. Put some snacks, some drinks in here, pass it around the car. It's perfect. This handle is awesome. So my catch-all is just that, right? It sits on my end table in my living room, kind of tucked in the corner, and we literally have everything in here. We've got remote controls, chapstick, dental floss, we've got wipes, we've got hair stuff, you name it, it's in here. So let me show you these side pockets. So they have two side pockets on either side there, and then of course two large openings there. So this is a $25 product, and again, you would get it for 50% off for every $35 you spend. And then there is the deluxe version. So let's take a look side by side. We just came out with this year, and I'm really excited about it. I just got it. I can't wait to start using it. I think I might use this for some hair products in my bathroom. I've seen a lot of people put their hair dryers, their curling irons, all of their brushes and that kind of thing in here. I think I like that idea. Or I might use it in my office for some files. If you are somebody like a teacher or a social worker who uses a lot of files and you have to bring them back and forth to work, this is wonderful. We've got a couple pockets on the front there, and then a Velcro pocket here, and then two big openings. And this is big enough to fit a legal size folder in if you have that size. This is a $38 product, and again, you could get it 50% off. So let's move on to my two favorite items of pretty much all time. The Your Way Cube and the Your Way Rectangle will literally work in every single room of your house. Our products are super versatile. They can be used for a million different things each. And these are the things that I use in my home the most out of any other thing. So we've got the rectangle here. I've got this one personalized for my pantry. I am in the middle of organizing that. And then we've got the cube over here. So personalization on this side, and then there is a PVC window there so you can see. On the other side of this black one though, the charcoal crosshatch has a chalkboard. So if you prefer the chalkboard, we have those. If you prefer the window, we have those as well. So this could be personalized on this side. So I tend to only personalize if I know I'm going to use these things for a very specific purpose. And then that would be in my pantry here, obviously. So this one I'm also gonna use in my pantry, but I really wasn't sure what all would end up in here. I was thinking napkins, cups, that kind of thing, plastic silverware, and so I really wasn't sure, and I'm gonna put it up high, so I want it to have the window so that I can see what's inside of it. So that's what I'm gonna do with that. Other places in my home that I use these, linen closet is a must-have. They are everywhere in my house. My office, the playroom. You can put toys in here. You can put crafts in here. Anything that you need to store can go in here. Sheets work well in the cube. Toiletries and such work good in the rectangle. So the cube is $35, the rectangle is $25. And then last but certainly not least is this beautiful felt storage tote. Now, this is a new product for us. We have a whole line of home organizing items with this felt. It is a very high quality, gorgeous felt. And we have this new raised personalization technique on here. Don't know if you could see that. I love the combination look between kind of the canvasy rope material and the felt. I love this. So I am going to use this in my pantry for a chip catch-all. It might even be a little big for that, but that's what I plan on using it for. I've seen a lot of people use it. If I did not have a cat that sometimes pees on soft things, I would absolutely put this right next to my couch with some blankets inside because I love that idea. And then other things that I have seen it for, of course, toys. Or if you have a dog who has a lot of toys, you could put those in there. So I love this. This is a $60 product, so it would be $30 half off this month. If you have any organizational needs, just reach out to me if you need some help. I'm happy to make suggestions. Even if you want to send me a picture of a room in your house, I'm happy to help. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.